unboxing. Yes, guys, I forgot in the other two videos to say it. They brought it up to me. Primo, how can you forget to say the word that you invented, bro? Unboxing. Guys, I enjoy this one. I'm not gonna lie to you. I enjoy these unboxing videos now probably more than actually doing the sneaker reviewing. Because the sneaker reviewing, I gotta be editing, I gotta be cutting, get people there to stay on it, And at the same time, it's not really the people's fault. I understand they don't want a gazillion hour there of talking gibberish, but this is the time that I get between me and my audience, my YouTube family. So I love this, man. I love this right here. So I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I have no idea what these sneakers are. Guys, I order. Yes, I know you're saying right now, Primo, you said 15, 20 pairs only in a year and you're already by like 10. It is what it is, guys. Remember, the curse of the sneaker reviewer. If you guys don't know what that is, it means you just got to get. I got to bring the reviews, guys, and I gotta bring you the content. Let's be realistic. If it sucks, it sucks. If it's good, it's good. It is what it is, guys. Sometimes you get a good video, sometimes you don't, but it is what it is. Let's see what's in here first. Enough of the jibber jabber. Let's see what's inside of this, and let's start the show. So I'm gonna start it off. Let me see. Take that toe. Let's go with this one. Screw it. Let me see what it is. Yeah. I got a feeling I'm better off probably with this one right here, guys. Let me take out this man-eater right here. That sounded kind of weird, the other man-eater. My cleaver, guys. I gotta take out the cleaver. Let's see what we got in this joint. Let's see what... Let's see. Why do they always add these things to it, man? They drive me nuts. Dead serious. What is this thing? It's like there's something attached to it. I don't know what the hell were these people doing over there in the factories. I have no idea. Kind of awkward over here. Okay. Check out the first one. Nike Air Max 1 SC. I don't even remember buying this. Ooh, yes. I know these. I had to get them, guys. Yes. Man, what a clean, beautiful sneaker. Look at that, man. Look at that leather, dude. Yes, guys. I don't know the real name. You know Nike and their names. So let me see. What do they call this one? Natural great, the clear jades. These are the clear jades. I remember now that I got these sneakers because I saw them for one hell of a deal. I got them. I know for a fact it was less than $100 what I paid for these sneakers. I saw a great deal on it. I said, dude, Dolphins colors? I have to, son. I have to. Very good, man. Wow. The suede. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. I like it a lot. Yeah, very nice. I gotta do the review on these, guys. Very nice, very beautiful. I gotta do a review on these, guys. I gotta start doing more reviews for the people that want to save themselves some cheese, dog, and get some fire. Air Max 1s. Beautiful colorway, great quality. This suede right here, on point. Man, I'm telling you. Save yourself a pretty penny on it. Next, let's see what we got here. And beforehand, guys, I am gonna do the Magneto review right after this. The Magnetos, the review is coming right after. So you'll see me probably in the same wardrobe, guys. I'm taking advantage of right now that I have the time to do 2 videos back to back. All right, let's see. I always check, guys. I always check around to see if no weird things are around it. Take out this massive cleaver. Here we go. Oh. 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 I'm a little excited for this one, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna get how can I present this that it looks a little bit better? Okay, I don't need this. I don't care about your thanks. On this one, thanks, and they whoosh right in the, you know what I mean. Thank you. Thank you, man. I think you guys know what that is already. Just in case. I'm actually very excited for these guys. I want to see exactly what this is all about. I want to see the materials on it. Let's check it out. Yes, they are. You guys know the pink paper already. The Travises. Yeah. 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 I'm gonna give it a whole opening up in this joint. The Velvet Browns, guys. Yo. Yo. These are beautiful. These are beautiful. I don't need the other one, guys. Let's just put this way. What a mess. What a mess. Yo. These sneakers are tight. These sneakers are tight, dude. Check out there for little glue marks. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that beauty right there. What a beautiful sneaker. Sleek. It's just, I like it, man. Very subtle. Not crazy. Nothing like that. Nice and embroidered. Glue marks. They're not there that much. Very nice, guys. Very beautiful sneaker. What's in here? Laces. The pink laces. I know it brings some other laces, does it? You see, these are the type of things, guys, that I say to myself, dude. Okay, let's be realistic about something. I'll tell you exactly what I paid for these, guys. I paid $420. I think it was $420, $430. Give or take. Yeah. I don't want to get it off the thing. It was a reality, but of course with processing fees, the whole shebang. You know, I'm not gonna give these people no more. You know, a lot of people have been telling me, yo, Primo, bro, there's channels out there that are a lot less than you and they're sponsored by these people. They don't even have 2,000 subscribers. They're not monetized or anything like that, and they have sponsorships by these people, and you're giving them all this free advertising. I'm dead serious, guys. At the end of the day, this costs me a lot of money. This is not, yo, dog, let me go and $50. This is a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a money tree here, you know. And these people don't even care about having the courtesy to be like, hey man, we'll send you some shoes, at least to review. Not even that. So you know what? I'm gonna stop giving publicity to these companies that I buy from, because I'm just doing this out of the heart. That's serious. I have no malice into it. I'm not like, oh bro, you gotta pay me. But you know what? At the end of the day, they don't care about taking my money. So would the day one of these companies come up to me like they do to a lot of other reviewers that are, you know, I don't like to bash on any reviewer. Each person to each his own. But that literally have not even 2,000 subscribers and I've seen them, unless they're lying. And I don't think a person can lie about that. I'm not gonna give them no more like that. You understand? Like, I'm not gonna advertise them like that whatsoever, guys. Because I feel like there's something that's not something right. They take your money and they know that. You think these companies don't already seen who I am already? You think they haven't? You know, come on, dude. Every reviewer out there already knows who I am. Let's be realistic, guys. 8 months doing this, 6,000 plus subscribers already. Come on, man. Monetized? Come on. You're gonna come up to me, you're gonna come with that nonsense? That ain't gonna happen, bro. You understand? They just know that it's like, hey, this dude truly has a love for this. And he coughs up the cheddar. Don't say nothing. Don't give him a sponsor. And let him just keep wasting the money. Nah, man. That's it. Enough is enough. If Jordan sent me these straight from the factory, I'm not gonna mention them anymore. I'm dead serious about it. And no, I'm not ranting. I'm just saying the reality of it, guys. And you guys will probably understand this too. You guys will understand my angle over here. You guys who are in my position, you start realizing these things afterwards. And when people start calling you, and even other reviewers start letting you know and be like, hey, yo, dog, you got a pretty good channel there, bro. Your channel's already getting to that level. And, yo, these guys ain't looking out. Stop giving them advertising, bro. You're giving it to them for free. And they're right, man. You know, they're 100% right. They're like, yo, bro, your passion is going over your head now. Now your love for the sneaker game is going overboard to the point that these people are taking advantage of you. And it's the fact. So my passion is this. It's not the companies I buy it from. So it is what it is. So anyways, guys, yes, beautiful sneaker. It is a lot better than what I thought in person. And I am going to review them, obviously, as fast as I can, guys. But that's pretty much it for today. That's the unboxing, guys. And, man, very beautiful, very beautiful. Wait, before I get out of here. Yes, it does come with the other laces. They look identically the same. I gotta see the difference, guys. I'll let you guys know in the in the review, guys. Anyways, till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. Whoosh.